A man carves a simple piece of wood with his art and labor to make a statue of a beautiful dog. He uses his tools to pay attention to every little detail, even the shape of the dog's eyes, his ears, the tail, and his fur. As a result of his hard work and art, the piece of wood now turns into a living statue that people cannot help but appreciate his art. This is not only the story of his art, but it also shows that when there is a confluence of creativity and hard work, even ordinary things can become wonderful. And if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, and lovely dogs written in the comments.